Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by enabling WSL2 and the virtual machine platform so Ubuntu runs fast and integrates with Windows. Next, install Ubuntu from the store, launch it, and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y to get current packages. Then install Windows Terminal. This gives you a modern host for tabs, themes, and profiles. Once done, make sure your Ubuntu user is created and test a simple ls and echo $shell so you know the baseline environment. You switch to ZSH for a richer prompt and install OhmyZSH to manage themes and plugins. This simplifies customization. Then add PowerLevel 10K for a fast, informative prompt and install a nerd font on Windows so icons render correctly. Set that font in Windows Terminal's profile settings. Next, edit /. ZSHRC to enable plugins, set your prompt options, export path tweaks, and create useful aliases. Because this is about productivity, test changes by opening a new. You finalize by making Ubuntu the default terminal profile and setting ZSH as your login shell with CHSH $, which ZSH. Export Windows Terminal settings, JSON and backup /, ZSHRC and /, P10K, ZSH so you can replicate this setup elsewhere. If something goes wrong, try one key fix first. Missing icons usually mean the wrong font. Install the correct nerd font and select it in Terminal. If the prompt is slow, disable expensive plugins. Restart.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.